Tax avoidance and tax evasion are not the same thing. Writing off home loan interest is a simple tax avoidance encouraged by the IRS. Pet sitting for someone's pet and being paid $20 per day is reportable earnings. Tax evasion is defined as failure to pay taxes, failure to report taxes, or inaccurately reporting taxes. According to the Internal Revenue Code, Section 7201, the government needs to prove the following beyond reasonable doubt. A taxpayer tried to defeat or evade tax payment. There was an additional tax due and owed, and a taxpayer acted willfully. The penalty for tax evasion can be significant. It may include jail time and monetary fines. The statute refers to any person willfully attempting to defeat or evade any imposed tax. The statute applies to individual taxpayers, tax preparers, accountants, and bookkeepers because of its broad scope. Tax evasion can be used to prosecute corporate officers who attempt to evade corporate tax, or administrators of an estate who tried to dodge estate taxes. The loose language of any person means people other than taxpayers can be the principals prosecuted for the tax evasion crime, even if the taxpayers aid and abet in the evasion. The term any manner expands the scope to allow any form of evasion to be prosecuted. Any tax is a broad description that means tax evasion includes other forms of tax beyond income tax, such as employment taxes, excise tax, and estate tax. The broad spectrum of possible offenses makes it essential for anyone potentially facing tax crime charges to seek counsel from an experienced tax fraud lawyer. The IRS recognizes two forms of tax evasion. They are evasion of payment and evasion of assessment. Transferring assets to prevent the IRS from determining tax liability is attempting to evade assessment. Hiding assets after taxes are due and owed is attempting to evade payment. Hiring an experienced and locally based criminal attorney is an important step in the criminal process. A Phoenix criminal lawyer should be hired within the week following an arrest. A skilled criminal attorney should have specialized knowledge and access to the resources necessary to competently defend you and successfully fight your criminal charges. The criminal defense attorneys at Phoenix Criminal Lawyer are dedicated to providing the highest quality defense available to our clients. It all starts with your free case review, where you can get a better idea of the legal road ahead. Contact us today to schedule your complimentary and private consultation with our superior criminal lawyers. Call the Phoenix Criminal Lawyer Criminal Law Team at 602-600-0447 to get expert-level legal help with your case.